The purpose of this video is going to be to fix this bumper as good as what we can. Let's get the heat gun. Let's heat it up. Let's try to pop it out from the inside. And let's see how good we can get it. Alright, so about 2 minutes worth of work. Got the bottom of the bumper pretty much all situated. Realized that this crack is worse than what I thought, but hopefully when we plastic weld it, and by being at the bottom of the bumper, won't be all that noticeable. I guess we will pull out the plastic welder and we will start working on this crack in the bottom of the bumper. Since this will be the least noticeable, this will probably be the best spot to try and work on first. Or since this one is a small crack on the driver's side, I may practice on this one first. So I've never used this before, but I bought this because it comes with a bunch of different staples. Corner staples, 6mm, 0.6mm corner staples, 0.8 corner staples, 0.8 flat staples, and 0.8 wave staples. It comes with wire cutters to cut the ends off the staples that pokes out. It comes with this to do something, I don't know, but it seems pretty heavy duty. And I bought these rods separately to help with like bigger holes and gaps. But with this, oh, and it also comes with this piece right here where you can just kind of melt plastic together. So we're going to start this little gap right here. I'm just going to do this on the back side to kind of close it up, give it a little bit of its strength back. I shouldn't need any rod for it. We're just going to kind of melt that together. And this, I believe, only gets hot when you press the trigger. I see a little LED light there. And then it's supposed to get hot pretty quick. So let me see, do like a little test spot. Oh yeah. Hot quick, hot quick. All right, so I'm gonna sit y'all up somewhere and we're gonna get that crack filled in or melt it together, bond it together real fast. So the first repair with the plastic weld gun is made. Pretty simple. I want to flip it over and see how it looks on the front. And the bumper's upside down, but you can't tell that anything happened. So it was a small repair, but I dig it. It should be good and strong. But I did notice that there's some more damage that's going on with the bumper. So this part right here is flappy, so we can fix that. That shouldn't be any problem. And then where the bumper mounts to the side of the body, on that side right there is broken, and on this side too is broken. So let's get that repaired, that repaired, and that repaired, and then the bumper, oh yeah, and then this spot right here, and then we should be good to go. All right, so I got the damage on the bottom of the bumper repaired on both sides. I got the bumper tabs repaired, and I had to take this and had to use a little bit of the polyethylene strip from the kit I did the same thing on that side. And the last thing I need to do is this bottom support piece. And I did a couple of plastic tacks. And then I'm letting the plastic gun heat cool down, because after about 2 or 3 minutes of constant use, it gets hot and it goes into overheat mode. So I guess this is really just purposed for using the staples. With the staples, you only heat it up for like 5 seconds and then that's it. But using this as like plastic welding with the tip and everything, you have it running for like 1 minute at a time, which I guess is too much for wood, and it gets hot and the overheat protection turns on. So that marks the repair of the bumper pretty much complete. I'm no professional and I don't claim to be. This is the side where the little crack was on the driver's side, and you can barely see it. And I mean, you remember what this side looked like, and that looks quite okay. So the bumper repair itself, in my opinion, is done. I may try to make that look a little bit better, probably not, but hey, it looks a whole lot better than what it did. So next on the docket is the MV tuning splitter, and yeah, we're gonna see if we can save that. I emailed MV tuning and they said that it was ABS plastic, so that should make it fairly easy to repair it, hopefully. So the next video, we will be working on the MV tuning front splitter, and it basically broke off right here where the impact was, and we're gonna see what we can do with that to make that look better. But until next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, whenever it posts, I'll see you guys then. Peace.